Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily log out of all your Facebook account once. Just by clicking a one option you will be able to log out of every Facebook logged in accounts. So for to do this you have to first of all open your Facebook account app. After you open Facebook app you will see on the top right corner three-line menu button. You have to click on it. Then here you will be able to see an option of settings. Then you have to click on again settings. Then here you have to go to account center. You have to click on see more in account center option. Here you have to click on password and security option. Here you have to click on the option like where you are logged in. After click on this, here you will be able to see the accounts of Facebook that you have. You have to click the account that you have want to log out of. You can see that I have just logged into one device only, that's why I'm not getting that option. If you have logged into many devices, at last you will be able to see the option of logging out of all device at once. You have to just click on that. I'm getting the option select devices to log out. You will get the option to log out to all devices just by clicking at that one option. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.